Good morning, students. How are you all? Fine. Okay. Yeah, subject English 2. 7 और हम क्या कर रहे थे? टेंसेस. यूनिट 18 टेंसेस. ठीक है? Now everyone look at here. In previous part we have studied about revision. I wrote one sentence here of simple present tense, and then you all change the sentence in 9 tenses, right? And I gave you 2 sentences in homework. Have you done it?
Yes.
Then speak that sentence. Okay. Rohan runs fast. I gave you this sentence. Rohan runs fast. This sentence is for simple present tense. Now convert these into simple past tense. Who will convert it? Who will? You. Very good, very good. Write down. Rohan ran fast. हम यहाँ other words we do not write other words over here, okay? Now simple future tense. Tell me the sentence of simple future tense. Chalo you.
Rohan will run fast. Tomorrow.
Rohan will run. रोहन will run fast. हम यहाँ other words नहीं लिखेंगे, मैंने बोला था. We do not write other words over here, okay? तू रख अपने में रख. So next, present continuous tense. Pretty.
Rohan is running fast.
Very good. Rohan is running fast. Very good. Next, past continuous tense.
Rohan was running fast.
Rohan was running fast. Next is future continuous tense. You.
Rohan is running fast.
Very good. Whenever you give answer, speak loudly, so everyone can listen and everyone can understand. Okay? Rohan will be
Running fast.
running fast. Okay? Now which is the next one? Tell me, Yasesh.
Rohan has run.
Rohan has run. R-U-N. Run. V3. V1 run. V2 ran. And V3 run. Rohan has run fast. Very good. This is present perfect tense. Okay? Now we convert these in past perfect tense. Anjuna.
Rohan had run fast.
Rohan had
Run fast.
run fast. And you, spell person. अब है बोलो कौन सा टेंस है? परफेक्ट फ्यूचर टेंस. स्पीक अप. रोहन will have bus. हो गया. रोहन will have run fast. रोहन will have run fast. Everyone got it? Now make this sentence negative. Make this whole sentence negative. Who will convert it? You.
Rohan is not run fast.
Rohan does not run fast. हमें याद रखना है कि हम सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस एंड सिंपल पास्ट टेंस में डज और डिड ऐड करना है. ठीक है? वी हैव टू ऐड इन सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस डज or in simple past tense did when we are making it negative. ठीक है? Now write down Rohan does not runs changes in run. Okay? Does not run fast. Mark this change. ठीक है? देखो रोहन run fast.
Rohan did not run fast.
Good. Rohan did not. यहाँ क्या है? ran. तो उसका हम लिखेंगे run. You have to remember these both changes, okay? Rohan will run fast. Rohan will run fast. Preeti.
Rohan will not run fast.
Rohan
Will not run fast.
Rohan will not run fast. You all have to remember these both other tenses. यहाँ देखो ये will and not.
Is
Other tenses are very easy. Will not, is not, was not, will not, has not, had not, will not. But in simple present and simple past, you have to add here do or does or here did. Okay? In this both sentence, you have to remember. Rohan is running fast.
Rohan is not running fast.
Rohan is not running fast. Next one, Rohan was running fast.
Rohan was not running fast.
Very good. Rohan was not running fast. So next, Rohan will be running fast.
Rohan
Will not be. Will not be.
will not
Rohan will not be running fast. Write down Rohan not be running fast. Next, Rohan has run fast. Rohan has run fast. Meenakshi, give me the answer. Rohan has run fast. Change into negative.
Rohan has not running fast.
Run fast. Rohan has not run fast. Next, Rohan had run fast. Correct. Rohan had run fast.
Rohan had not run fast.
Good. Rohan had not run fast. Rohan will have run fast. Rohan will have run fast. Preeti.
Rohan will not have run fast.
Very good. Rohan will not have Now you all have grip on these tenses. Everyone can understand. And now this looks easy or not?
Easy.
This is easy for you or not? After so much practice of these sentences, we have done very much practice, right or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Only answer in yes or no.
Yes.
Speak a big sentence also. You are there. Yes, no. Okay, ma'am. Everyone write down. I'll give you 2 minutes, okay? Now we'll move to the exercise. Now we'll move to the exercise. Exercise number 1. Where's my duster? लेके आ। complete the sentences. With the correct form. Correct form of the verbs. Given in the brackets. First blank. She blank a new guitar. Now look at here. There is a have in the bracket, right? Then we have to think that what is come with she. Have. Can we write have over here?
No. Has.
Very good. We write has. This is the answer. He went to Paris. Every summer. Which is this tense? This sentence is from which tense? First of all, you have to answer me that which tense? Tell me. And the bracket is try. Which tense?
Simple present tense.
How can you know this? From which word? From this word. From this word we can know this is the simple present tense. Okay. Now what is the answer?
Flies. Flies.
Very good. Flies. Everyone remember this. From this word we can know that this sentence is from the simple present tense. And so with he we add s or es. Okay? So we write fly. In bracket there is a fly, but we write the answer flies. Third, eat. It always blank on Monday. In bracket rain. First of all, tell me which tense. Everyone tell me which tense. You. Which tense? Very good. Simple present tense because the word is always. Always यानी कि हमेशा. तो वो simple present tense का हुआ. Okay. It always blank on Monday. Rain. I told you when there is a subject it, then we write verbs s, verb with s. जैसे कि rain, rains. बैठ जा. Fourth, with us. In bracket, play. In bracket, play. First of all, tell me which tense. This sentence contains from which tense?
Simple present tense. Play.
आंसर प्ले. ये सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस का सेंटेंस है and the answer is
Play.
play. I told you when the subject is you, at that time you have to place a verb. Okay, only a verb. Fifth, we blank what their plan is. We blank what their
मैं एक्सरसाइज 2 भी करनी है.
plan is. In bracket, no. We blank what their plan is. In bracket, no. Which tense? Yashesh? Simple present tense. And the answer is no. Not nouns. Only no. Write down these 5 blanks. Okay, now we complete our video over here. From the exercise 2, we'll see in part number 8. Okay, thank you.